Hello everyone. So yeah, just a quick run through of my day. We're working on a walk-in freezer. Compressor was gone. That's the old boy right there. Just a big sucker here. So yeah, the new compressor is in. Also had to change the condenser fan. Only one was working, which is probably what contributed to the compressor going. So just here checking my amperage. As you'll see there, 16.23. Nameplate is calling for maximum of, I don't know if you can see that, but 24 amps. Yeah. So we'll be in good range. Pressure's looking good. Might add a bit more, but waiting to see, gotta add a bit at a time. Waiting to see how the box perform and whatnot. I just added some to it, so I gotta wait a bit. So yeah, that's pretty much it. My tools, as you can see, recovery tools, refrigerant, recovery tank. Yes, that is me. Yes, and I can't be cleared with my umbrella. I picked that up this morning because it's hot. Feels like Barbados, and I welcome it. Just got to be prepared. So yeah, that's me for the day. Over and out.